Please welcome Shawn Kanungo.
We have turned everything into its most efficient form. And when you turn everything into its most efficient form, you suck out the trust. So how do we fight this? I believe there's only one way to do this. I believe that we need to bring the F word back. We need to bring the F word back. And the F word is friction. And my belief is that there's going to be two types of companies that will win in the future. There'll be companies that are incredibly fast and frictionless. And then there's going to be companies that actually want you to slow down. It's about experience and moments. And somebody came up to me and said, hey, your conversation on AI scared me. I said, that was not my intention. I said, which part of the presentation scared you? She said, you're talking about all this stuff like data analytics and all this stuff that AI can do. Like, that's part of my job. That's part of my livelihood. And my advice to you is that if you are scared of this technology, my advice is this. Work scared until you become scary. Work scared until you become dangerous.
Who are some famous people you picked up?
I've driven Seinfeld. I've driven,
Woo! And now you're picking up Shawn Kanungo. So it's just, it's ebbs and flows. You know what I mean? It's up and it's down. So
I believe in empowerment. When people have access to tools, they do incredible things. The other way to empower people is to deeply care. And as it turns out, the greatest strategy in the world is to deeply care about your people.
Listen, we're gonna crush it. We're gonna destroy